When it comes to maintaining dirt and gravel roads, Scarifier boards and bits play a crucial role. Using proper Scarifier equipment can give you up to 5 to 15 times longer blade life thanks to heat-treated steel construction and the ability to maintain a proper attack angle. This not only enhances road performance, but also helps in reducing fuel consumption and lowering operating costs. Scarifiers are ideal for pothole and washboard remediation, surface crust breakthrough, efficient material mixing, and even ice and snow management to keep your equipment performing at its best. Ensure a standard 70-degree board angle. Maintain a 45 tool angle. Keep penetration depth under control. Check carbide tool rotation daily. And always clean with solvent, not oil. Many Scarifiers feature self-rotating and self-sharpening tungsten carbide bits, which minimize downtime and allow for quick-filled replacements. They're also compatible with motor graders and underbody plows. Available in 3 and 4 foot sections, and can be custom fit for your operation. Need help optimizing your Scarifier system? Winter Equipment is here to guide you every step of the way.